I can definitely do better than Tiffany. Let's take a glue gun. Gluing the walls together for my future dollhouse. I will have a 3-story house. Perfect. I already love it. Nice. It needs to be secure. Tiffany, can you do that? Of course. I'm gonna do even better. My house will actually have a roof. Let's start coloring it. There will be a window right here. Ooh! Hey, what's that? Hello, neighbor! Ah! Oh! You ruined my makeup! Really? It didn't get any worse. Tiffany! I'm not coming near you anymore. Let me paint my house pink. Here's a brush and paint. Wow! I need to cover everything with pink color. It looks so beautiful. My Barbie will love it. Terrible pink color. Bratz and I have our own favorite color. We love purple. I'm gonna make it fast. Just pouring paint over the house. I don't like wasting lots of time. Nice. Wow, girls, your houses already look so pretty. What's the next step? I'm gonna put frames for the windows. It looks so much better this way. Boring. I have purple window frames. Let's add some decorations for the dollhouse itself. This crown looks wonderful. I like it. And I'm so thrilled! I've got a heart! Girls, you're doing a great job. Come on. What should I do on the ground floor? I know. Let's make a living room. Oh yeah. Here's an armchair, a table, some shelves, a fireplace, of course. It gives so much comfort. And a TV. A carpet, of course. Rats, do you want to see how I've set up your living room? It suits you so well. Let me take a picture. Perfect. Here's our photo. Wow. That is beautiful. This portrait should definitely be in your living room. All the guests will be inspired. Miley? And here's a pink living room for my Barbie. Oh, let's not forget about the car. We're gonna have a garage. What, Tiffany? Nothing. Ooh, an idea. I won't just have a car. I will have a helicopter. We're gonna put it right next to the house. Miley, watch out. Wow, I did not expect that. Yeah, my Bratz is so cool. A car and a helicopter. Interesting. I'll make a kitchen for my Barbie. Look at this beautiful set. I love it. Here's a fridge. And a plant, of course. Let me open my drawers and fill them in. Incredible! Wow! I already love it so much! Time to fill the fridge. Wow! Barbie has a lot of groceries and a lot of food. There's all types of food. Awesome! company. What? My bratz got hungry and decided to cook for herself. It's a piece of cake for her. A fried egg. Nice. Let's add some more goodies. And we can have breakfast. Do you like it? Awesome. My doll is also a great cook. Look, she's made herself a pizza. Come on, Barbie. It is delicious. Great! Girls, you're having fun. It remains to make a bedroom. We need a pink carpet. And I am going to have a blue carpet. Big deal. Look at my Barbie's royal bed. Now let's add stickers to the walls. My bed is also incredible. And a Bratz logo on the wall. Oh, I'll do something too. Here's a rack with clothes. I have a chest drawer. Nice. This is absolutely perfect. What do you think, Bratz? She's definitely excited to live here. Oh yeah, let's have a party. What? My Barbie knows how to have fun too. Come on. How do you like your room? You chose a beautiful outfit. This dress is gorgeous. Oh, I know what we should do. Miley, let's play dress-ups together. Wow! This looks beautiful. I love this outfit too. Girls, are we having a fashion show? This is definitely the best thing I've ever seen. One outfit is better than the other. You're both very beautiful. Incredible. Look at all of those outfit choices. Yeah, I don't even have such a mess in my room. Well, we're gonna have to clean it up. I think we can handle it. Ugh, cobwebs! That's scary! Ugh, and that's disgusting. Oh! Oh no! Kimberly! There's a spider! Oh! That's disgusting! Hey! Don't you want to be a little more careful? Whoa! I'm catching it! That's kind of fun! Hooray! Well, well, well. It's a lot better now. Whoa! What's in here? Oh, we need to get rid of it. This won't do either. Oh, much better. Yep, that is much better now. Let's clean the rest of the room. There's a lot of dust here and dirt. Oh, that's definitely true. Well, this is so good. And you definitely have to be careful. It's slippery. Woo! It's so slippery! Ah! I put a sign for a reason! Just look at your feet when you're walking! You think it's funny? Let's see who laughs last! Oh! A mattress? I told you! You're so funny! Bleh, bleh, bleh. Stop messing around! Let's lay out the mattresses instead. Oh, it's harder than I thought, but I did it anyway. Well, that's obviously not enough. We need to cover the mattress with a beautiful pink fat linen. By the way, an interesting fact is that I can't sleep without pink underwear. But don't tell anyone! Oh, it's so pretty, my favorite of them. Guess what my favorite color is? But that's not all. I want to decorate my place with a garland. The wall will remind me of the starry sky. Wow! Just look at how beautiful it is! Wow! This gives it a little bit of atmosphere. Now it's comfortable for me and my plush toys. I'm gonna relax. It's a great plan. Agreed. I'm also improving my sleeping place. Oh, my bedding. Of course it's black because that's my favorite color. Then, we need my favorite toys. They're not all black, by the way. Look at these figures. They're from different movies and books. My favorite characters. I'll place them around the perimeter of the bed. Great. A garland is a great idea. I'll hang it on the wall, too. But my flashlights are bigger than Kimberly's, so there will be more light. And another great idea. I'll decorate the bed with ghosts. To do this, we need black balloons and white sheets. Just look at how lovely it is. And… oh! Whoa! What is that? Yeah, I know. It's incredible. I can go down the slide! Hooray! It's so fun! Well, am I worse? I have a great idea, too. I need to call Wednesday. Hello, I beg you, please, one little request. I want to slide off the bed. A slide? Okay. It will be done. Well? Woo! Hooray! Thank you so much! Now I will have fun going down the slide and not using stairs. They're boring. Now we need some entertainment. It will be downstairs, under the bed. A fluffy rug, but this is not enough. The most important entertainment at home is, of course, the TV. Oh! Oh! I almost dropped it! I was lucky this time. Well, here is the TV. Then I definitely need a console so that I can play my favorite games. There we go. And that's not all either. I'm going to sit on this big bag. I love it. Something's missing. I need neon lights. They will be perfect right here. Actually, I'll put them everywhere. It'll be cooler that way. And my headphones. Playing my favorite game! Oh yeah! Let's win this! Hey! Help me choose a dress! Which one is better? Well, okay. I know how to distract her. Let's cut the wire. Kimberly! Kimberly, what's the matter with you? How did that happen? Oh, you've electrocuted yourself. It's cool, but not normal. It's funny to you? You know what? Oh! I'm gonna create my own area for entertainment. My rug is much higher and brighter than yours, and fluffier. My costumes will be here. And some extra shelves. My shoes will be perfect right here. A heart! A neon heart! I think it's very cute. Hi, subscribers! Rate my room! What do you think? Oh, wait, we need a different angle. Listen, can you please shoot me? Please, I need some cool photos. Okay, give me the phone. Why do you need these photos? have to show off my unreal dresses. I want to show everything. This painting is definitely not needed here. We better put more shelves here. By the way, changing colors of the shelves was a great idea. Look at how many things we can put in there. That's not all. I will cover everything with the cutest stickers with paws of cats. Incredible! Oh, I want to sleep. Oh, what happened to us? We got a little carried away. Well, everything is ready. Perfect. Oh, by the way, shall we have a bite? I have cakes and Coke. Great idea! I have ice cream for you. And chips. Let's eat donuts together. The perfect snack. Agree. You have to relax after a hard day. Oh, this is amazing. And we did everything ourselves. High five, friend.